Hello students, in 10th Maths chapter 1 relation and function, today we are going to learn the last two sums of exercise 1.4. See the question, the distance S an object travels under the influence of gravity in time t seconds is given by S of t equal to 1 by 2 g t squared plus a t plus b, where g is the acceleration due to gravity, a comma b are constants. Check if the function s of t is 1 1. In this question, function s of t is given. We have to check whether it is 1 1 function or not. In solution, first you take down and write the given function s of t equal to 1 by 2 g t squared plus a t plus b. By the second definition of 1 1 function, let us assume s of t1 equal to s of t2. Then write the given function 1 by 2 g t1 squared plus a t1 plus b equal to 1 by 2 g t2 squared plus a t2 plus b. So here b is common, so it is cancelled. Next, we have to bring this term before the equal. That is 1 by 2 g t1 squared minus 1 by 2 g t2 squared plus a t1 minus a t2 equal to 0. See, in this term half g and here also half g, and take out this common term means we get 1 by 2 g into t1 squared minus t2 squared plus, here a is common, so you take out a means we get t1 minus t2 equal to 0. See here, t1 squared minus t2 squared is in the form of a squared minus b squared. Then means, to use this identity and write t1 plus t2 into t1 minus t2 plus a into t1 minus t2 equal to 0. Here which is common? t1 minus t2, and here also t1 minus t2. Then you take out this common means we get t1 minus t2 into half g t1 plus t2 plus a equal to 0. Now we get two factors, t1 minus t2 equal to 0, therefore t1 equal to t2. Then in next factor, half g t1 plus t2 is equal to minus a, t1 plus t2 equal to minus 2a by g. See here minus 2a by g see in this we get minus 2a by g. Here the negative value does not possible for acceleration and gravity. So this answer not possible. So now you take this answer alone, T1 equal to T2. By the definition, S of T1 equal to S of T2 implies T1 equal to T2. Therefore, it is 1 function. For better understanding, I teach another method also. See, given function S of t equal to 1 by 2 g t square plus a t plus b. In this question, t is time taken in seconds. So, let us consider t equal to 1, 2, 3. Okay, now S of 1 equal to, instead of t you apply 1 means you get half g1 the whole square plus a into 1 plus b. Therefore, S of 1 equal to 1 by 2 g plus a plus b. Then next you apply S of 2. That is 1 by 2 g 2 the whole squared plus a into 2 plus b. Then we get half g into 4 plus 2a plus b. So here you cancel 2 and 4 means get 2g. Now S of 2 equal to 2g plus 2a plus b. Then next we find 3 equal to 1 by 2 g 3 the whole square plus a into 3 plus b. Now you simplify this means you get 9 by 2 g plus 3a plus b. This is the value of S of 3. Now we have different values of S of 1, S of 2, S of 3. In reason, yes, for every different values of t, there will be different values as images. Therefore, it is 1 function. This is the answer for this question. See the next question. Question number 12. The function t which maps temperature in Celsius C into temperature in Fahrenheit F is defined by T of C equal to F, which means temperature in Celsius is equal to Fahrenheit, where F equal to Fahrenheit equal to 9 by 5 into C plus 32. Find the given subdivision. In this question, what is given? Yes, the function T of C equal to Fahrenheit is given. Then the formula for Fahrenheit F equal to 9 by C plus 32. In solution, first you take down and write the given T of C equal to F, then F equal to 9 by 5 C plus 32. First subdivision, find the value of T of 0, that is T of C equal to F. Therefore, 9 by 5 C plus 32. Now, you find the value of 0 means 9 by 5 into 0 plus 32, that is T of 0 equal to 32 degree Fahrenheit. This is the answer for first subdivision. T of 0 equal to 32 degree Fahrenheit. Now, second subdivision, find the value of T of 28. Now, T of 28 equal to 9 by 5 into 28 plus 32. To simplify, this means we get 25, that is 252 by 5 plus 32. Now you divide, this means you get 5 5s are 25, then 0.45s are 20, 50.4 plus 32. Then the answer is 32.4 degree Fahrenheit. Therefore, the value of T of 28 equal to 82.4 degree Fahrenheit. Now, come to the third subdivision, T of minus 10. That is, T of minus 10 equal to 9 by 5 into minus 10 plus 32. Cancel means we get 1 5s are 5 minus 2 5s are 10. That is minus 18 plus 32. Then the value of T of minus 10 equal to 14 degree Fahrenheit. The value of T of minus 10 equal to 14 degree Fahrenheit. Now, see the fourth question. Find the value of C when T of C equal to 212. First you take down and write the given T of C equal to 212. Then for T of C, you apply the given formula 9 by 5 C plus 32 equal to 212. Here we have to find the value of Celsius. That is 9 by 5 C 212 plus 32 becomes minus 32. Then C equal to is 180 into 5 by 9. You cancel this by 9 means 1 9 is 9, 2 9s are 80, 20. That is the value of C equal to 20 into 5, 100 degree Celsius. And this is the answer for fourth subdivision. See the last subdivision, the temperature when the Celsius value is equal to the Fahrenheit value. In this question, we have to find the temperature which is equal to Celsius and Fahrenheit. First you take down and write the given function T of C equal to F. In this we have to find equal value. Therefore, you write T of F equal to Fahrenheit. Then the formula is 9 by 5F plus 32 equal to F. Now you simplify this, means we get 9 by 5 f minus f equal to minus 32. Take LCM for this, because 9 by 5f minus f is like term. So you take LCM, means we get 5. 9f minus 5f equal to minus 32. 9 minus 5 is 4f equal to minus 32 into 5. Therefore, f equal to minus 32 into 5 by 4. Cancel this, means 4 table, 1 4 is 4 minus 8 4s are 32. Therefore, the value of f equal to minus 40 degree. In this temperature, the Celsius value is equal to the Fahrenheit value. This is the answer for this subdivision. Okay students, now let us see the homework which was given in the previous classes. See the question number 9. If the function f is defined by f of x is x plus 2 to x minus 2, find the values of the given subdivision. See the solution. First you draw a number line and mark the intervals which is given in the question. Then come to the first subdivision, f of 3. 3 lies in third interval, therefore x plus 2, then we get the value of f of 3 equal to 5. Then next subdivision, f of 0, then 0 lie in the second interval, the function defined as 2, therefore f of 0 equal to 2. Then third subdivision, f of minus 1.5 lie in the first interval, therefore the value of f of minus 1.5 equal to minus 2.5. Now come to the last subdivision, f of 2 plus f of minus 2. So here 2 lie in the third interval and minus 2 lie in the second interval. So the function defined as x plus 2 and x minus 1. Then the value of f of 2 plus f of minus 2 equal to 1. This is the answer for 9th sum. Now come to the 10th sum. See the question, a function f such that minus 5, 9. Then you draw the number line minus 5 to 9. Belongs to real number. Yes. Defined as follows. F of x equal to the given 3 different functions. Find the values of given subdivision. In solution, first you draw a number line and mark the given function. That is 6x plus 1 lies in the first interval, 5x squared minus 1 second interval, 3x minus 4 third interval. Then come to the first subdivision, f of minus 3 plus f of 2. Here minus 3 lie in the first interval, the function is 6x plus 1. Then 2 lie in the second interval, the function defined as 5x squared minus 1. Then the value of f of minus 3 minus 17. Then f of 2 19. Now you add this 2, means we get 2. Then the answer is f of minus 3 plus f of 2 equal to 2. Then come to the second subdivision, f of 7 lies in the third interval. The function defined as 3x minus 4. Then 1 lies in the first interval, the function defined as 6x plus 1. Now you simplify this, means we get the answer for f of 7, 17, f of 1, 7. Then both you subtract means we get the value 10. Now come to the third subdivision, 2 into f of 4 minus f of 1. 4 is defined as 5x square minus 1. 1 is defined as 3x minus 4. See, the value of f of 4 equal to 79. The value of f of 8 is 20. Then the value of 2 into f of 4 plus f of 8 equal to 178. Now you come to the last subdivision, 2 into f of minus 2 minus f of 6 by f of 4 plus f of minus 2. First you find the function by using the intervals. Then the value of f of minus 2 is minus 11, f of 6 is 14, f of 4 is 79, f of minus 2 is minus 11. Now you apply this value in the given question means we get minus 9 by 17. This is the answer for last subdivision. Okay students, today's homework exercise 1.4, 9 to sum and 10 to sum, do it in a rough note. In this chapter exercise 1.5, composition of function, we will see later. Thank you.